Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the distributive property.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
You may have seen this before, but the distributive property is such. If a, b, and c are real numbers, then a times b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. B plus c times a is equal to ba plus ca. A times b minus c is equal to ab minus ac. And lastly, b minus c all times a equals ba minus ca. And you probably, hopefully get this down, but a lot of it's just distributing over. So how do we go with that? Let's go with some examples here. Let's start with the first one. We have 3 times an x plus 4. Now we use this a lot of times when we can't simplify within the parentheses. So we have the 3 times the x here first, 3 times x, then plus, to follow our rules here, lines up with the first one, plus a 3 times a 4. Well, let's go simplify that. 3 times x is a 3x, and 3 times 4 is a 12. Not too bad. Let's try the other one here. Same idea. Same as the first step here. Let me see, of our distributive property. We take the 8 and we multiply it by a 3/8 x. So now we have 8 times a 3/8 x plus 8 multiplied out again. 8 times a 1/4. Well, then from here we need to simplify. 8 and 3/8 multiply, well, the 8's cancel, and we have a 3x right here. Plus 8 times a 1/4 simplifies, well, 8 and 4 goes in 8 2 times. 2 times 1 is a 2. And we have 3x plus 2 there. And so we use the distributive property to simplify both of these expressions, and we got a 3x plus 12 and a 3x plus 2. I hope you better understand the distributive property now. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us make more of these free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So, as always, thanks for watching.